Want to put your Xbox Series X into sleep mode or turn off your Xbox without using the Xbox controller? Then let me show you all 3 ways to shut down or start up your Xbox Series X either directly from the console or using the TV or even your smartphone. The first and most common way to turn off your Xbox X console without the controller is by using the Xbox button on the console. If you short press the Xbox button, this will put your Xbox into sleep mode. So, you can easily turn it on by pressing the Xbox button once again. And if you want to turn off your console completely or shut it down, then you'll need to hold down the Xbox button until the light stops blinking. Then you can let go. And now our Xbox is totally powered off, and if we turn it on, we will see the Xbox logo. But that's not all. The second method is the easiest and seamless, which is turning off your Xbox console with your smart TV that it's connected to. In order to do that, first you'll need to make sure that HDMI-CEC is enabled on your TV and your Xbox console. Different smart TVs will have different settings, but generally this will be in the external device settings. So make sure HDMI-CEC is enabled on your TV, and then to turn it on our Xbox console, we will need to go to our Xbox console settings, then TV and display options from the general tab. After that, select device control, enable HDMI-CEC, and after that we will check other devices can turn console off. You can also enable other options if you want. Now with this option on, when you turn off your TV, your Xbox will turn off automatically, and vice versa. Now if you want to turn off your Xbox console using your smartphone, then the third step is for you. All you gotta do is get the Xbox app on your smartphone, and then connect the app to your Xbox console by following the prompts. We also have a detailed video on it, so you can check that out. And after it's connected, you'll be able to turn off your Xbox console using the Xbox app and turn it on. But note that this will only put your console into sleep mode and not shut it down completely. And these are all the ways to turn off your Xbox Series X without the controller. So if you found this helpful, you can let us know by dropping a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.